The cat licks himself. A highly trained predator, this cat is. Notice how he licks his tongue. The lion Mittens will spend several days a week cleaning himself. It is a hard chore for him. He works hard to get any traces of blood and any other bad things on him. You'll see how his tongue combs his fur. Oh God, we better keep distance or he'll attack. But we're gonna zoom in on that lick. Notice how he combs. See, look at how his tongue combs his fur. It's like a hairbrush. Wow, that is so amazing. Stay tuned for next time, and we'll explore his mating rituals